Hello and welcome to this Trimble Connect Quick Tip. In this video, we will show you how to use Organizer to take control of your project. Let's look at some typical challenges. Here is a model where some parts are ready for production and others are not. To see which objects are ready, we want to apply color coding to know which objects are ready to be constructed. As another example, we're going to look at ordering status, specifically for rebars. This also includes checking if concrete is ready to be poured, or any other objects you want to visualize. So, how does this work? The rule-based organizer is Trimble Connect's way to easily give relevant color coding to your project for any objects. Let's take a look at a project named Vamkrysset. This is an infrastructure project where they are using something called MMI to track their progress. Now, contractors want to showcase if an area, like the northern retaining wall, is ready for construction or not. Before we jump into the demonstration, MMI, easily described, goes from red, as for a rough plan, progressively getting more detailed until it's green for as in good to go. Then we have the digital model. This is the model in its surroundings, and now it's ready for some coloring. So in the Organizer tab, we select the second option for rule-based coloring. After choosing your model, we search for the relevant attribute. Here, we search for design status, since it was how MMI was coded in a design tool like Revit or Tekla. Now we color the group and quickly change the colors respective for each status. After saving, we go to the droplet and get colors applied for each group. As you can see, pressing a color group selects all linked objects. And for answering the question, the northern retaining wall is in red, so it's not quite ready to be built. For the next example, we will view order status through Organizer. Here we will look at rebars and concrete combined into one view. We are still in the same project, but at a later stage. As last time, we open a rule-based group and we search for the concrete status as a group I previously made for objects in Trimble Connect. Here we can give our own preferred colors. Green for ready, yellow for ordered. And now we can see which regions the concrete is poured in. Following up, we want to have rebar status in the same view. So to make sure we are editing, and then we select the rule formula builder. Now we add a new formula group for the rebar and apply it. So we also give some new colors to the rebars. And after coloring it, we still see the concrete. It just has to be hidden. Now, after hiding it, we can finally see the rebars. So we still want to see the rebars and concrete in a combined view. So we select the concrete and unhide it. So this is just a principle. It can be used for any objects depending on your needs. As a final example, we're going to look at the Rebar Labels extension made by our team. In one click, you can colorize in an easier and smarter way. The rebars are sorted and colorized on relevant attributes for the user, for example size and number, but also center distance and number of rebars. Anders, my colleague, made a video showing more in depth on how it works. Combined with tablets or phones, Rebar Labels makes for a process enabling workers in the field. That's it for now. Thank you. See you later.